Hello, it's me, Kalsa. Welcome back to another video and welcome back to my channel. So, guys, this is I'm filming this real time. All my videos are filmed real time, but I'm just saying, just real time. This, I don't have any concept for this video. I don't have any, like, oh, this is the first I want for this video, and this is what I'm gonna do for this video. It's just I'm just recording because why not? It's guys, I feel like I'm doing a live right now. I'm not even feeling I'm filming a video. I feel like I'm literally doing a live right now. That's how it's feeling. But anyways, so guys, I don't know what thumbnail it's gonna be. I don't know what the title, the description is gonna be. It's just gonna be like a whatever. So yes, this is though another diamond painting video. Recently, I had uploaded a small little time lapse of me diamond painting. If you haven't seen it, go watch it now. Go watch it right now. It's a small time lapse video, guys. So just go and see that video time lapse. So both of us, that was just a small process of what you guys saw. Now, what I plan on doing in this video is completely different than this because I know, my long video was of my diamond painting collection. Then I uploaded the time lapse of diamond painting, and now another diamond painting video. I know it's going to be like repeated within a month. It's like following a pattern. Think of it that way. So this one I wanted to show you guys the full process of diamond painting. So that time lapse, it was just like a short video, but for me it was like at least an hour or something. So diamond painting takes hours. Guys, if you have no idea what diamond painting is, my gosh, if you're new to diamond painting, buckle up. You're gonna be sitting with your canvas for hours, days, and months together, you guys, if it's a big one. So the one that I'm doing right now is a new one, and then the one that I did in that one, and I'm also going to show you the finished one in that video. And why am I pointing, guys? The reason I'm pointing here is because my phone is charging, and when I was filming the time lapse that day, we have it up. So I'm just like in this one. So anyways, so let's get done with this intro part and let's just get to the diamond painting because I'm so excited. I was actually on a break from the diamond painting because I was here since morning, and now it is currently time is it's 2:47 p.m. Friday. So Friday, June 26th, June 2:47 p.m. afternoon. So I've been on this since morning. So let's cut this introduction short now and let's actually get to the diamond painting. So let's begin. So currently, I'm doing this diamond painting of mine. I did not make an unboxing video of this when it arrived. This is what I'm doing right now. This beautiful butterfly house jungle forest theme one. This is what I'm doing right now. See guys, I've already completed so much side on the top. As you can see, I have finished all that of mine. Itna khatam kiya hai maine. This is a size 30 by 40, and yeah, this has total 25 drills. So guys, if you're new to diamond painting, ये diamonds जो रहता है ना, ये beads, it's called the drills. So 25 drills this has in total, and this is really this is really difficult to complete this. So I'm not gonna get this. So the previous one was, guys, since the last video of mine that I showed my diamond painting collection and everything, I did things a bit differently. So if you're a new viewer, hi. So if you have not seen that, even if you're an old viewer, if you have not seen the diamond painting collection of mine, go check that video out first and then come here because there I showed how I stored my collection, I think. But now I have done things differently. So now I'm going to show you guys a different thing. So yesterday, with the great jugaad, I did this is what I did. So this is a new box that I had, and I'm not going to lift this, but I'm going to just put the camera down. Okay guys, the lighting may be bad, but I'm really sorry for that. So as you guys can see, or I'll do one thing, my phone is charging. It's finished charging now. I can do a recording. 63% charged, guys. It's okay. I think I can charge it again. Now I'll have to do a recording over here and then show you guys for clear viewing. Since I'm currently using this drills right now, 7, I'm going to keep it over here so that you guys can see. Now I'll have to do a live recording. Also guys, this is my phone charm. I made an unboxing video of this. If you haven't seen it, go watch this phone charm unboxing video. It'll be linked in the description. Hey, different video promotion. So let me show you, and I will insert this recording somewhere over here. So To insert this recording, I'm going to need space on my screen. Just hang on. So I'll like insert the recording somewhere here, or in the middle itself. So let me show you guys. So guys, is this recording? Yes, it's recording. So guys, this is what I'm talking about. See, now you can see this more clearly. This is how I have stored my drills and everything in the new way. In the previous video where I had shown the how I stored my things and everything, it was different in a package. I think that also I'll show you now in a bit. But see, this is how I've done it. Organized 1 2 3 labels. See, 1 2. Dekho yahan pe, see 25. This is the last. See, we are 25. So oops, this is just getting a bit out of hand, but this is how I've stored my drills. So it's much more organized and everything. And this box was completely tattered, guys. As you can see, here is tape and everything. So I had to completely tape and fix this box up. But this is how I completely stored my drills. See, there is drills over there too. And now you guys want to see this close up. See, hey, it's my diamond painting. Close up. See, 30 by 40. Beautiful, beautiful. Hey, let's get back to the our video and the recording of that. Right, so now I'm gonna put my phone for charging again. Is it charging? Because sometimes my phone doesn't charge, guys. Yep, it's charging. All right, so that's it. Weird things are happening. Anyways, those things. Too much. So this is how I've stored. These are my wax. This is my wax and I'm currently using, and I've got a new pen from last time. It came with this only. I don't know what this is called actually. Forest House. I don't know what it is called, but this is the pen that I got. It's a multi drill pen. Not multi, I'll say. 2 drill pen. Like this has a single one and just this one, and it did not come with changing. Changing. So ye fixed it. So currently it's this. So I just have this pen. I mean, other than my other single ones, without this. But it's okay. This comes handy for if I want to multi-place my drills. So the previous one. Let me show you also the previous. How I have changed things. Guys, the audio did not at all get recorded like for the rest of this part. Like how lovely, right? So I actually don't even remember what I was saying in this portion of the video. I think I was talking about how in the previous one I mentioned in that video of the diamond painting art collection, I used to store my drills in that, and now I store these baggies in there, as we call it in the diamond painting realm and world. And now what am I doing, guys? I am literally filming this, recording this audio clip while I'm watching the video live, while editing. So I really have no idea what I'm saying, and I had no energy or the time to refilm make another recording saying the audio did not get recorded and everything. So I'm just adding this voiceover. Here what I'm doing is I'm showing the butterfly that I had ordered along with this forest wren thing, and I'm talking about the I'm talking about the inches, how many inches that is, and now I don't remember how many inches it was, and now I'm telling how many drills it had in there. I will add the inches. I think 30 in 40 centimeters or something it was. I don't know. So I think I'll add the numbers or something. I'll have to check it, the butterfly one again, and then tell you guys. So now what I'm talking about, I have no idea. I'm saying that this is how I had stored the diamond paintings then compared to my previous ones. I know, guys, this is such a long recording and no audio at all got recorded for this recording, so this is going to be pretty long. So now I'm showing the book of life or book of knowledge that I showed, and here I know I was having a bit crisis, haven't I already shown this in the previous video and everything? But guys, no, relax. It was just, I showed half in the diamond painting art collection video. Like I had just started at that time, so I showed it half, and in the time lapse I was doing this video only. So now I'm showing is the portion that I was doing in the time lapse, that is F, the number alphabet F. So that's what I was doing, and now I'm showing the signature, name, date of the finished product and everything. Because in the diamond art collection video I showed just started, in the time lapse I showed half, and now I showed the full collection, because I thought I already showed you all something, but it was just a half, and the time lapse may aadha complete hua lol. So now I'm putting all this back into this, into the packaging. I know I could have just started a new recording saying, guys, that what I recorded had no audio and everything, but I'm just I don't do much voiceovers, so I'm just deciding why not just add the voiceover for this video. So I mean, for the part of this video, so then I spoke about how I now store it in this, and then I'm talking about in these baggies is of the butterfly ones, and all the remaining ones. So this of the changes I made. I really love this word baggies, and how we call it in a diamond painting world at Realm. Then of the book of life, the book of tree of knowledge, the baggies of the drills also I have saved in that one, kept in that one. And now I am talking about how let's start with our diamond painting. Hi, I'm back. I have obviously ditched the earphones because of that mishap. It now of my recording did not, audio did not get recorded at all. So now I have to talk even louder, because now I don't have anything that I can say I know what I'm saying, guys. Forget it. Anyways, and if it sounded the recording got the audio recording voiceover got cut short, it did, because while I was recording the audio, I forgot that clip was sped up, so I was talking in my own sweet time. But then I realized oh shit, now the clip is done, but my recording was going on, so I had to cut it short. But anyways, now let's get to our actual diamond painting. So I'm just gonna have to this down. So guys, can you see? So yes, I bet you guys can see. So I really hope that the audio mishap doesn't happen. I hope all my audio gets recorded. If not, then I'm going to have to add multiple voiceovers, guys, in this. So I'm extremely sorry there are multiple voiceovers in this. Guys, I can't help it. I mean, if the audio mishap happens again and it does not get recorded for long times, maybe I might not even add a voiceover. I'll just add a text, and I'll just, fast forward that, make it into kind of like a time lapse, and fast forward everything. And, just, if you're good at lip reading, then you'll be able to know what I'm saying, because itna lambe a voiceover dena itna, it's very So let's begin. The one that I was doing was, अरे यार मैं भूल गई. Holy shit, what was I doing? I'm gonna have to, I forgot which drill I was using. I think I was using 7. Yes, 7. Hey, 6, 7. Guys, I'm Gen Z, so of course I have to look at 6, 7. So now that's for our drills. In the time lapse, you all just saw short portion, yeah, guys. But this diamond painting, even here, I'm gonna obviously speed up the video a bit, but it takes hours and hours and hours, 3 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours. And if you don't take breaks, your body will just die, because you'll just be in this position. So you have to I wish I had a camera, I could put it over my head so you guys can see clearly. But guys, this is the best I can do. I'll do it a bit more. Aisa kya? Can you see? Aisa. Okay, yeah, I think it's visible. I think it's okay. It's okay, guys. I have to come closer so my audio gets recorded. So let's start. I wish I could do ASMR here, guys, but I'm extremely sorry. I can't. I don't know how much the noise compression will be of this. So let's, my funnel, yeah, I'm gonna keep that there. I need to keep something over here, so I'm just gonna, so this doesn't come, I'm just gonna use this. I'm gonna keep my wax back in my box. And now let's begin. So I'll be using single placers here, because I will not need to use my multi-placer. I'll be not required to use my multi-placer, so it's fine. And guys, I've learned this washi tape. हाँ, इसमें वो washi tape ही था. I kept the washi tape in in the other box, blue one. So yesterday, there's just a channel I recently started. I'll mention her channel in the description. I absolutely love her. But let me check it, because I actually have a video pause. I was watching her video only and doing my diamond painting. It's a Ria Page. like RIAH PAIGE page. Absolutely love her. So shout out to her because I watched her video, and she was watching all these hacks, and I got this hack from her. So shout out to Ria Page. Absolutely love this a creator. She's amazing. I'll also mention her channel in the description so you guys can go check it out. She's like a pro diamond painter, guys. So I was watching her video and I got the hack from her video where she tried out various diamond painting hacks from TikTok. And this washi tape idea is genius, guys. This washi tape idea is genius. It's like a lifesaver because you get the drills in the lined up is like a nuisance. I tell you, nuisance. Hang on, guys. Sometimes it can be a nuisance, like with the washi tape, but still lifesaver. So now let's start single placing our drills. Here, see, I have one drill right here, and I'm just gonna place it. So guys, also I have been working on another dance video. Woohoo! Another dance video, like side by side. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. So I've just learned that dance, and I've just been practicing and practicing, all the time I get. And I'm gonna do the practice of the dance in a while now when I take my break again. So I want to perfect it, obviously, and then I'm going to do the dance, when I perfect it, it'll be in the near future, and I'm really excited for it. Let's see, do I have to multiplace somewhere? No, I don't, because now all the multiplace 7s are over here and they're done. And then also I kind of single place only, guys, because there is no, and I don't have any change for the multiplaces. So such big ones are like I can't fit them in the small places I want, and then misalignment of drills, so then it's a huge this. So I'm just gonna single place, and I like single placing. Sometimes it's just therapeutic. I mean, it doesn't give me the satisfying pop sound, but it's okay. It's just like I like single placing, so it's okay. That entire book of knowledge, tree of knowledge, I did it by single placing, so it worked perfectly fine. So I did not need to worry about anything at all. So now let's just keep. Oh look, here there's there I can use a multiplace where I have to multiplace. Hang on, now yes, I'm just gonna use this, and let's multiplace. I'm gonna need 3. I'm gonna need to take 3 drills. So I'm gonna take 3 drills. See, 3 drills, and I'm gonna do it like this, and I'm just gonna place them. That gives a satisfying. Oh, I'll blow up noise compression with people, cut that out. But multiplacing gives the satisfying pop sound. Video all done. I just had to press it down because I immediately removed this, so I didn't get to press it down. But yeah, so guys, I hope you all are doing so good. I told you, I feel like I'm doing a live, like I'm actually forgetting I'm not on a live here. I'm doing like an actual YouTube video. Sticky, guys. So I don't do this like professionally or something. This is like just a side hobby. So I don't cover the canvas and or do it in like SR like like so in like short like areas or something, or I don't add washi tape to my entire canvas and thing. Guys, wait, I'm like 21 minutes into filming. I have to pause. I have to see if all this audio is recorded. Guys, I'm just gonna I'm gonna stop my recording, check this footage, and see if my audio is recorded till here. If not, then I'm screwed. So for you it's gonna be 2 seconds, but for me it's gonna be a while. Hang on. Yes! Guys, it got recorded. Thank Jesus, praise the Lord. All of my audio got recorded. Knock on wood, guys. Hopefully, this continues to the end of the video. So let's begin. I mean, let's restart where we were at the diamond painting, and our chit chat and talk. So what I was saying, I don't remember, but now let's start a new topic. So guys, the reason that I'm doing this diamond painting thing is because I needed to just a change of this, because when I started this diamond painting, oh look there, multiplace again. I was like just watching YouTube or listening to music and doing this diamond painting. But then I was like let's just film, because today I was watching like Ria, and I watched like other channels as well, and I was like they film and do their diamond painting. So then I got inspiration from her. I actually love her. I've been binging her since yesterday. So I was like, let's film, so I did. So then I filmed. I started to film. So now I am filming and doing this. So now I'm just like have lots of things going on, so that's why I needed a distraction as well. So now I think that's where I'm going to finish with my 7. See, kitna shiny. Oh wait, there's another 7 here and 7 here, so I think we can finish our 7s over here. Ah, it's too sticky, bruh. 7 here. Also, guys, update on Nibbles, his training. I ordered the clicker also, guys. Clicker training. I'm clicker training him, so that clicker ka, unboxing also will be linked in the description. His training is going really well. He's a very good boy. So he's yeah, इधर भी कुछ 7 है यार. Not to this plastic is ना उठा करता है. So he's very good now. I taught him how to sit and everything. So next I'm going to teach him how to, you know, give his paws. And he does a very good sit now. He knows how to sit and he's a very good boy. So he's currently sleeping outside on the chair over there. And also, I don't think I like mentioned this, give this update about his vaccinations and all done. And updated, like I made a vaccination, but video of him will be link mein hoga description. I'll, you know, add my all cat ka playlist, and in that the videos are there, so you can watch, you can find them there. And I mentioned that was about his first vaccination, guys. Now all his doses are done like long back. Now he's like 6 to 7 months old. So now he's almost going to be up for neutering. So we're going to neuter him soon. So my baby is still a kitten. I can't believe my baby is still a kitten and he already looks like so grown. So let's leave this. And also his collar, we have, you know, removed his collar at home. First I used to, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys this also. Oh my god. Like, you know, I used to take him on walks. So guys, I'm gonna add a picture over here, like, you know, where, you know, like him on his walk. So even though I used to, like, you know, not take him on walks, the collar was always on him. But now, you know, since the summer and everything, he used to get very agitated. So now we have just permanently removed the collar because, you know, he's like more free without the collar. Plus he's at home only and I don't take him on walks anymore because he's very बहुत mischievous है. शैतान है वो एक number का शैतान. So that's why we just keep it without his blue collar at home. So let me keep my funnel. 7 is all done. Where was it? Over here. So now let's see where I'm going to begin. What I'm going to do is, I think there are lots of T's here. So I'm going to do T. What is T? T is 20. 20. 20. 20. So 20 is T. So I'm going to get with that. Let's pour the drills. We're going to ensure not to you know, pour a lot, or else then the washi tape trick doesn't work. So we have to pour a little, and I have to, you know, be careful not to spill the drills, or else then, you know, it gets, yeah, we'll go with a little more, then it will get everywhere, and that's just not what I want. So now we're gonna shake, and then we're gonna, you know, tick 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 tick. So alright, I think I can manage with these, but now see all these extra drills here. So I think I can make do with that. I mean, I don't really need them in there because over here there are not many T's. So I'm just going to put these drills back in the container, I mean in the baggie. So we'll be careful to drop because the stick is up and so it's very sticky over here. Okay, so now just see that what the washi tape did. Can you see how much in a straight line all those drills are? Or else before it was such a menace and I couldn't multi-pick because of that. So now washi tape genius. So now let's get with our T's. I mean, yes, I can multi-place here, but then, you know, oh nahi hoga, guys. So now let's single place. Okay, I can do it here. Either I can kind of do it here. How many I'll need? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll need 4. So yeah, I can do a 4 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Usually, you know, when I make videos like this, you know, time lapse, I watch something when I'm not even like watching something. So guys, again, see, like a live, because I'm not even watching anything, you know, while I'm doing this filming and everything. So it's like, you know, just like a real time. And I placed my drills of T. I'm very sure T20 is T. Yes, we will be a 20T. Because, you know, sometimes you miss, you know, like, you know, you misread everything, and then it's gonna be like, oh, I placed it in the wrong section. Guys, also, you know what? Wait, this recording is getting too long, and you know, editing fails. So I don't want the file to get the film to get too heavy. So I'm going to start a new recording, guys. Wait, I'm going to start a new recording. Hello guys, actually it's been a while and I know I'm in a completely different angle. I mean I could have just restarted from my last clip, but guys, it's like a real-time live. For you it's just been like 1 second, but for me it's been like hours. It's currently 8:12 p.m. guys, 8:12 p.m. I started filming in the afternoon and now it's evening. Yeah, I know it's been a while. I took a very long break and then I had to do some things in the middle, so I had to pause my filming and everything, but now I'm here. I restarted. Woo! So now we can continue with our live. So anyways, let's get I'm just scared to be back. Also guys, in this middle before starting this filming, I shot another video and it's gonna make a cameo in this video because why not? It's the BTS Oreo cookies, and sadly I did not win the contest. I mean, you have to gather 3 special cookies and then you will unlock, you have to scan them and then you will unlock a special love letter from BTS. I didn't unlock it. Guys, I did not unlock it. Do you know how heartbreaking it is as an army? You didn't unlock, you couldn't get to unlock a special love letter from Bangtan to us. I couldn't unlock it, guys. I'm heartbroken, devastated. But what to do? I got only 1 special cookie and I need 2 to unlock it and I don't have it. And now I cannot, buy another one because I cannot. My family will film me. This I had it sent to me actually. If you see that video, you will know what I'm talking about. I did not find this one, but maybe in the future I will buy it and maybe I can unlock the special video from them. But it's okay nonetheless. I can just Google it what was the actual special message from ARMY, I mean from BTS, and then I'll get it. I'll get to see it without needing to unlock it. But love these cookies. So thank you Bangtan for making a cameo and for making this cookies. So I'm gonna keep that aside. Now let's begin and let's recap. I may have to take a break again in a while because to eat my dinner, but it's okay. So then I can get with my diamond painting, because for this while guys I haven't touched my diamond painting at all. I have just I have set it to the side how it is. I have not done my diamond painting since filming in the afternoon, or else it's just and this gave me a break because sometimes I just sit for hours and hours and my whole body just cramps. So although I do my workouts and stretches and everything still. So let's begin. So where were we? We were at 20, right? 20 pe hum kya hai 20. It's T. 20 is T. So let me zoop you guys down. Whee! So let's go Mao. Alright. You ready to put this there? Ew, garbage! I don't like it. So my 20 are my drills. Let us go. See, as it is, I just taken this and put it at the side, so I have not started it. Now let's begin my diamond painting. Kya tha yaar, but say 20T. Let's go. Let's restart. So guys, a lot happened since I started filming again, but it's okay. I'm back now. It was 1 second for you, but for me a couple of hours, and now I'm feeling actually refreshed because I ate, I drank. I mean, not drank as in party shatty. TMKOC fans know that, party shatty. But just usual things. I had a break, I played with nibbles, I did this, I did that. So now I am feeling very refreshed. And I also did my dance practice before, after filming for the BTS Oreo taste test and everything video. I did my dance practice. So I'm actually energized right now. So let's just continue with our diamond painting. Guys, I don't know why this is becoming an obsession of mine, but for a person like me who cannot sit still for 1 minute or so, guys, I mentioned in that Make Jelly With Me video, if you haven't seen it, go see it. I have ADHD, so for a person like me to just sit shanti se and do this diamond painting is a miracle workout. This is the best therapy for neurodivergents out there. So if you guys are planning on thinking should I do it, should I not do it, go for it guys, go for it. Diamond painting is amazing, but you need to be patient. I don't have any patience at all, so this will teach you to have patience. Yes, this can make your stress levels high and everything, because if you're like me, once you start, you want to complete, if you don't do it, it will give you stress and everything. Yes, but you have to be in control over that. So was such a big potential of me to put my drills, but it's okay now. I told you, this is just the one that I have, so I cannot multi-place my drawers, but it's okay. So what else can I talk to you guys about whilst we do this, and whilst y'all are hanging out and chilling with me? I guess for some part of this portion I should just fast forward it, and then like a time lapse and add music, so it will be chilling, like an extra chill time lapse included, like my previous one. So I guess I have to just sit in silence here while I film. So guys, that's what I'm gonna do. So if I'm not talking, then that's I'm filming for that kind of time lapse thing, and just for chill music kind of thing. So I think I should do that.
Let's change the beat.
Hey, so I'm all done with my teas and my 20s. T20, reminded me of T20 match lot, LMFAO. So, oh no, there's one remaining. Guys, there is one tea remaining. Got it. I got the one tea, you guys. Hey. Now I think I'm all done with my teas. Now the rest of the teas are, upper. So my progress so far is just, been like bleh, because today I couldn't do my most that I'm painting. Or else I would have done this like without filming and without taking such a big break. I would have done like half by now. Either I would have completed either from bottom or the top, because once I start to take a break, it's very difficult to guys. Phew! It's so much easier with the funnel. Alright, now let's press him down. Let's press these two arms. Press. Since I don't have the roller, for the diamond painting, I have to just press. And यहाँ पे मैं बोलते after sticking, you finish, press with a book or with your hands. So the first diamond painting I done the turtle, they said it instructed that once you're done, press firmly with a book or with hands. They never said use a roller at all. I mean, yeah. So hands and book and everything works just fine. So 20. 19, 20, 21. Alright, now let's see, what should we zoo. So this is the portion that I've completed. Let me show you. See, this is the portion that I completed now with all the trees. Dark orange over here, all this. See this? That's the portion I completed now. And you're all below. So now what I want to do is let me see. I think I want to stick to the bottom, because from the top, that's just like, I did a lot from the top yesterday and today morning. So, oh my god, my drill placements are insane. But it's okay, guys. See, if you're doing diamond painting, you have to remember one thing. Keep in mind. Drill placements don't matter if they're not, aligned properly, because from afar it looks good nonetheless. So, your drill placements don't really matter if they're misaligned. It's okay, because from afar it still looks good, as long as they're the right color, the right order and everything. So I think stick with the bottom. There's a kachra tha wahan pe. So I can see a lot of threes here. So I think I'm gonna go with 3. But then there are also a lot of 1s and 2s. What should I do? Guys, I'm very confused. You know what? Let's just I want to actually do a new color. But I can't really do that. So let's just stick with 3. Very stuff, yeah. Let's just stick with our 3 tool set. Or sound, E sound. E sound. Only the Thai people will get it. Try again, Penny. Oh, this is too less, but it's okay because I don't need much, I think, for it. Okay, let us go with our 3 and let's begin our 3. The 3 is just scattered everywhere, guys. I mean, through this 3 is a nuisance. Actually, that's why I shifted to the top, because this bottom portion is just so messy. Like, there's just so many numbers, letters, alphabets here. It's like, oh my god, it's too messy. That's why I shifted to the top portion. The top portion had just like one alphabet or number, like Y. So then Y, and then there are lots of Y. And there was also E here, so a lot of E. But over here, it's like so many, and yes, there are like lots of the same, like 3 and everything, but it's like very scattered. And here it's just like one below the other. But anyway, I have to do this portion ek na ek din karna hi hai, because I want to complete this diamond painting. So let's. Oh my god, I can just hear like screaming in the background because of Nibbles. Obviously, the क्या बोलते हैं उसको वो noise compression will cut that out, but he was screaming in the background. Guys, I actually think I'm going to end this video after I'm done with this 3 portion. I know, not a very long video, but like a very kind of boring, because I don't intend on planning on filming till I finish this entire diamond painting, because then I will have to film every day, and filming every day is just not possible for me, and then it's gonna be chaos for me. So this was just supposed to be a one-time filming of this diamond painting. Unless I decide to film again of me doing another portion of art in the future, that will also be there. Guys, if you have made it so far into the video, like this video, guys, share, subscribe, come on. If you made it this far in the video, thank you. So, you have to like, share, subscribe if you made it so far, and follow me on my Instagram, guys. So, let's. Mommy. Oh my god. It's not sticking to this. I think I have to change my wax inside. But it's okay. I mean, it is sticking, but not much. Let's just do this. Yeah, I really have to change this now. Let's change our wax. Or if I was doing this completely professionally, I would say putty. Putty, but in our Indian language, as my dad says, he says putti, but it's actually putty. But I don't use putty. I use wax. So I'm just there inside. Can't even see it. There it is. I just unintentionally made a heart. Guys, I just say that BTS listen out of K-pop and everything so in my head right now. But it's my wax. Here's my wax, and now let me show you close up how I do this. So there's nothing inside. Take this inside. This is also, guys, like a small tutorial, guys. Pay attention here. Take this, pull it out. Then see, it's all inside. And then you just take it and you level it, and then you check for stickiness. See, stickiness. Perfect. You're all done now. Now let's continue with our career. I am so upset, guys, because what tell you guys? I wish I could share everything with you, even personal things, but I cannot do that with you guys. So yes, we are a family, we are one nation, but some things have to be limited, like shh. So that's why. My god, the entire thing is moving. There are so many trees, and trees are scattered everywhere. So I cannot just stick to one part where there are trees, because it's everywhere. Oh yes, guys. Also, I have I have 2 ulcers in my mouth. I'm very prone to ulcers, and at a time I get 5. Yes, guys, 5. There are points where I've even gotten 6 or 7. Yes, I know, guys. But yeah. I mean, what to tell you guys? Oh my god, these trees. Oh, I'm like, why did I start these things now? This is going to be the life of me. I mean, the death of me. Also, I'm not like really watching anything or listening to anything. So I don't have white noise except the fan and the traffic noise. Haha. So I cannot really focus because I need white noise to focus. Hey, where is it? And I cannot really put anything because for that I have my earphones. But then recording with earphones, the audio issue happens. So I don't want to risk it. I don't want to risk it, baby, baby, baby. My God, I think I'm gonna have to stop at 3 and get back to this later. Because it's just like gonna be too time consuming. It's gonna be too time consuming. This is where you get instant regret, guys. Instant regret. That is okay. Okay. Oh, it's gonna take hours. I'm gonna be here for a long time if I don't take an intentional break. So I'm done with most of the trees at the bottom. I mean, guys, I had to cut so much. I can't like show you guys everything. So I had to cut like so much of footage because it was just me doing the 3. So I've done with like most of my trees at the bottom half, and I want to stop doing 3 because then I will not be able to finish the rest of my painting. Because I just want to keep focused on one, number or drill. So there are multiple trees. There are many trees there, but that's more, on the top portion. But on the bottom, let me show you how much it's done right now. See, guys, I finished till here. Till here, I finished like most from the, bottom, and till here, I finished like almost like from the top. So now I think I'll go with L's. There are a lot of L's here. I think I have to move to the top because there is a lot on the top, and I am actually like, oh, this. But I think I'm gonna go with 8. Voice crack. Hello, excuse me. I think I'm gonna go with 8 because there are like many 8s. My God, this is daunting. This is daunting, you guys. The top is like so much, and for most of the top, I'm gonna have to multi-place because there's just a lot, so I cannot single place. I'm gonna have to multi for Y's, A's, D's, and then we also at the corner there are H's and everything. So even at the bottom there are H's. I can actually finish. Okay, you know what? Let's do that. Let's go with our H's. Let's go with H's. Guys, after this, after I finish with this edge portion, I'm going to end our video because this video is already going long and I don't want this very long. Where's my edge? What is edge here? 13. Our edge is 13. Over here. This is our edge 13. The number is 13, but our symbol is H and the color is 823. Let's go. I don't need mud because at the bottom there's like not much edges. Then we gonna this to our washi tape. Washi tape, collectible. Then we have our big lines here. I can multi-place because there is multi-placing here, but yes. I cannot multi-place it because of the other alphabets, and this is too big. But it's okay. Let's go with our H. Once I finish with the H, also I'll be like done with most of my bottom because H is also like a lot here. So let's get to our H. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm actually getting it done here. And I don't like to stick to one, like, number. Like, if I think, like, okay, I'm done with this drill, I'll move on to the next because in that way, if I just stick to one number, like in the canvas, there is that one number is scattered like so much, so many places. So then I'll just not be able to get done. I don't know why it's not sticking, guys. I put the new wax in there, but it's still troubling me. Right, let's get to the age. Guys, I have to tell you something about like a funny thing and also like a thing that happened for diamond painting. As there is so many cons of diamond painting as well. I'm here to entertain you with my sadder story. Haha. So while I was emptying the drills into the baggies, like for my previous diamond art, there we get like so many drills that I had like few drills left with the same color. So I color matched, and then I saw that it matched the color of the current diamond painting, and then I emptied it, but like in the same bag. But then later I realized that there is actually a slight difference in the in the between the colors. So I had to literally empty the full drills, and I had picked out each drill that was a different color. So guys, this is my sad story, and this has happened many times with me. I have thought like a color matched with the same color, but it was different. So I could just leave it, but I'm not like that. So I literally had to empty it in the tray, and I had to I hand picked each drill out of the like the क्या बोलते हैं वो baggy, and what actual color it was. So this is what we diamond painters face.
Yeah.
My God, I'm just really frustrated because of life. But so I finally done with my edges. Like most of my edges at the bottom. So just few bits are left here and there, and then I'll be like done with at least this much of my bottom portion. Guys, I started recording at 8 something. It was 47:27. I don't know what it was, and now it is 9:10 p.m. So I've been here for almost an hour. I don't know, dude. I've been here for almost an hour, and I've been filming for almost an hour now. And oh my gosh! So guys, you can see, and now I've just like since I restarted filming in the like now. After Mr. Long break, I just did I think like 2 drills. So you can imagine how much time 2 drills take. If I sit here to film or finish like suppose edge, I catch edge and I do all edges, I'm gonna be here for at least 3 to 4 hours because guys, and without multi-placing, hours. It takes hours, you guys. Hours. And since I was just filming, I couldn't watch anything, I couldn't listen to anything, I did not have any white noise that I could pick up the pace. That did slow me down. But anyway, so diamond painting is not for everyone. Diamond painting is not for everyone. You need to have lots of time in hand. So yes, you guys, that's it. I know this is already a long video in spite of me cutting lots of footage because I cannot like everything in all this video is going to be over, and I don't even know if this is already over an hour long or not, but it's going to be a very long video. So anyways, if you stuck this long, thank you so much. And now I'm going to take a break, eat my dinner because I am famished, and I will continue my diamond painting watching Ria or yeah, not someone else because I love Priya, so I'm going to watch her channel and I'm going to complete my diamond painting and then I'm going to meet you guys in the next video. Do look out for this BTS Oreo video that will come out after this video, obviously. So do wait for that video and watch it when it comes out. Go watch my diamond painting collection video and my other diamond painting videos. So I actually don't know, guys. My brain is like mushed right now. So anyways, thank you for staying this long. I'm gonna end this video and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Bye. I hope you enjoyed this video and I did enjoy filming, guys. I did enjoy filming. So anyways, I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Bye. Love you.